Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about the unit 14 construction. In the class 6 already we have learned about how to construct the line segment, angles and how to construct the bisector, perpendicular bisector. These are all already we have learned in the last year. Today we are going to learn about the how to construct the parallel lines. What is the definition of parallel lines? If two lines are drawn on a paper such that they do not intersect even when extended infinitely in both directions, then such a lines are called the parallel lines. So already in this definition already we have learned in the previous chapter, is it? Intersecting line and parallel lines, skewed lines and collinear points, collinear lines. These are all we have learned in the previous chapter. So we have learned how to construct the parallel lines. How to construct the parallel lines in this chapter we have to learn. What is the definition of parallel line? If two lines are drawn on a paper such that they do not intersect even when extended infinitely in the both directions, then such a lines are called the parallel lines. The parallel lines have some facts up there. Okay, so see this facts. The parallel lines are equidistant everywhere. எல்லா பக்கமும் இப்படி தான் இருக்குமா, ஈக்குவல் டிஸ்டன்ஸில் தான் இருக்கும். And second one of that, when two lines are intersected by a transversal. So already we have learned about the transversal, is it? What is the definition of transversal? A line, a straight line intersect the parallel lines at the distinct point. At the distinct point, then it is called the transversal. It make 8 types of angles. Okay, and it has some special angles. Some special angles. What are them? Corresponding angles, alternate angles, vertically opposite angles. Okay, so intersecting of a straight line intersect at the parallel lines, then we get 8 types of angles and it has some special names. Okay, such that the corresponding angles, alternate angles, vertically opposite angles, exterior angles, interior angles, interior alternate angles, exterior alternate angles. These are all already learned in the previous chapter. Okay, so here when two lines are intersected by the transversal, then the corresponding angles and alternate interior angles are formed are equal. Is it? That is one of the criteria of the transversal. Okay, and third one, when two lines are intersected by the transversal and the alternate angles or corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. So the second one of that, corresponding angles and alternate interior angles formed an equal. Here interior angles and corresponding angles, alternate interior and corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Then the lines are parallel. Now we have see how to construct the parallel lines. Now see the example 1. Construct a line parallel to the given line AB and passing through a given point P outside the line AB. Outside the line AB. Okay, so what is given? We have to construct the parallel line, okay, to the given line AB and passes through a given point P outside the line AB. So Pங்கிற point வந்து அந்த லைனுக்கு outsideல இருந்துச்சுன்னா how to make a parallel line. Okay, we will see. Example 1 solution. Okay, first we have write the draw the line. Draw the line. Okay, draw the line is denoted by A, B. Okay, now we have take any point outside of the line AB. So you have take in this place. Anywhere you have take the point P. The question was given. Passes through a given point P outside the line. Outside. வெளியில பாயிண்ட்க்கு the லைனுக்கு வெளியில ஒரு பாயிண்ட் எடுத்துக்கிறீங்க. You have take anywhere. Okay. I have taken this place P. Now we have take Q on a line AB. Take a point Q on a line AB. So line AB la we have take a point Q. Okay. Now join QP. Now join QP. Now using the compass we had to draw the any radius. Take any radius as center Q, draw the arc. The same measurement with center P, draw the another one of the arc. Okay, the same measurement. Okay, same measurement. After the intersecting point on the line QP, the intersecting the point with the center, let me have considered that the intersecting the arc as a center, draw the same radius of the another one of the arc. Okay, now join from P to extended it. Okay, okay, the intersecting then that point is denoted by P. Okay, that the parallel line is denoted by CD. CD. Okay, that's it. Now we get the parallel line CD and AB. Okay, so what we do, write the construction steps. Take the geometrical notebook. Okay, first we should write the explanation. First explanation, parallel line, and next write the what are the facts having the parallel lines. Right, after turn to the next page, you will write the example 1, write the question, after write the solution in a writing area. Okay, right. After you have draw this diagram, first you have to draw the line AB. After you have consider the point P on outside of the line AB anywhere. You have to plot pointer. Okay, plot that point. After you have take Q on a line AB. Line AB. AB ங்கிற லைன்ல Q ங்கிற பாயிண்ட் எடுத்துக்கணும். எடுத்துட்டு after you have draw using the compass, draw the arc of any radius. Draw of any radius with Q, draw the arc, and with the same measurement, same radius with center P, draw the one of the arc. After intersecting arc with the center, draw another one of arc. The both arc intersected. Okay, so that join the line from P to the CD. Then we get the two parallel lines CD and AB. After you have complete the construction. Okay, after you have write the steps. Steps are construction. The first one, step 1, draw the line. Okay, draw the line AB. line AB. Step 2, take any point. Take a point P. Okay, have taken or make or mark a point P outside the line. Outside line AB. Outside the line AB. Third step, take a point Q, is it? Point Q on a line AB. Line AB. And step 3 completed. Okay, and what we do in the next one, we have make an angle, is it? PQB and QBC. QPC. We have make two angles. Okay, so at P, draw the angle CPQ such that CPQ is equal to, these two are the alternate angles. These two are the alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal. So CPQ is equal to PQB. And step 5, extend the line CD, is it? Draw after A, have extend the line CD. Extended the line CP to D. Okay, in the line extend பண்ணிட்டேன் D வரைக்கும். Okay, CP to D to get line CD. You have write simply extend the line CD also you have to write. Okay, அப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம். Okay, and next final step, that's all. CD is the line CD is parallel to the line AB. That's it. Hence, that's it. The final line you have, right? The line CD is parallel to the line AB. Okay, I hope you have understood this example. 1, first we have to draw the line. After you have take any point outside of the line AB. After you have consider Q, mark on a line AB. After you have take any measurement, any radius, okay, draw the arc of the angle CPQ and PQB. PQB. And step 5, extend the line CP to D, then we get the line CD, then CD is parallel to the line AB. Okay, next one of the example. Draw a line CD parallel to the line AB at a distance of 2.5 centimeter. This is very important one. Okay, everyone carefully watch, then only you can draw the parallel line of the distance 2.5 centimeter. Okay, shall we see that? Draw the line CD parallel to the line AB at the distance is given. Okay, so given the distance is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Okay, right. First what we do, draw the line. Okay, draw the line AB. Line AB. Okay, then the same procedure. Okay, next we have to draw an arc intersecting at center Q. ஓகே, அங்கே அவுட் சைடில் பாயிண்ட் எடுத்துருப்போம். இங்கே டிஸ்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம அவுட் சைடில் எடுக்க வேண்டாம். ஓகேவாம்மா, ஒரு பாயிண்ட் க்யூங்கிறத என்ன செஞ்சுக்கணும், அந்த லைனில் எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ டேக் அ பாயிண்ட் க்யூ ஆன் அ லைன் ஏபி. யூ ஹாவ் டேக் எனிவேர் ஆன் அ லைன் ஏபி, எங்கேனாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஓகே, ரைட். நவ் யூஸிங் தி காம்பஸ் வித் சென்டர் க்யூ, draw any one of the radius of an arc. Okay, with center Q. The same measurement. Okay, the same measurement. We have to make a perpendicular bisector. Already we have learned in the class 6 about the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so here we have applied the perpendicular bisector concept. Okay, the same measurement with center here, draw the arc. After the same measurement, draw another one of the arc from the intersecting arc. Then we have draw the intersecting arc as consider the center, draw the two arcs from the intersecting arcs. Okay, ma, intersect an arc we have to draw the two arcs. These two intersecting arcs make at one of the point. Now join that point with the Q. Okay, so these two arcs we have denoted M, N. Okay, these two intersecting arcs is denoted by M, N. Now join that Q. Extend this line. Okay, this is a perpendicular bisector. This is a perpendicular bisector. Okay, these two intersecting arcs is denoted by X, Y. Okay, now we have draw the distance is 2.5 centimeter. Measure in a scale using the compass. After we have draw as a center Q, draw the arc of the distance 2.5 centimeter. With the center Q. Okay, so 2.5 is here. The distance is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, now the intersecting point is denoted by C. With center C, we have draw another one of the perpendicular bisector for making a parallel lines. Which purpose we have to draw the perpendicular bisector from the vertex C, make a parallel line. Okay, so with center C, take any radius, the same procedure. Draw the arc. After intersecting arc from another one of the arc, and then here also draw the another one of arc, and Okay, now join this arcs from C to D. Okay, C to D, that is denoted by D. Okay, do you understand this? Okay, now we have measured this distances 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so now we get the two parallel lines CD and AB. So what is given in the question? Draw a line CD parallel to the line AB, parallel to the line AB. Okay, at the distance of 2.5 centimeter, at the distance of 2.5 centimeter. Now write this step. So what do you do? What did you do, ma? We did the first step, draw the line AB. Step 1, draw a line AB. Okay, and next step, mark a point Q on a line AB. Okay, after we have draw X as the center and draw the perpendicular bisector. Is it? Step 3, again taking S as the center and with the same radius, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc XY at M. Is it? The third step, the taking the X as a center, okay, and with the same radius. Already with center Q, draw the one of the arc. That two arcs intersect at the point X, Y. Okay, then we have take X as the center and with the same radius drawn an arc intersecting the previous arc. What is the previous arc is here? XY. Okay, so XY at which point? M. Okay, then we have proceed the same procedure again. Step 4, taking M. Here we have consider X with center, draw the arc of M. Next we have M as a center, as the same radius. So taking M as the center and with the same radius drawn an arc intersecting the previous arc XY at N. The previous arc intersecting at the point N. Okay, then step 5. Now M and N as a center, we have draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay. So now with M and N as center, and with the same radius, with the same radius, draw the arc such that okay, so ST means such that they intersect each other. Intersect each other. At a point P. So the intersecting point is denoted by P. Okay. So with the center M, N, okay, as the same radius, draw an arc at the draw an arc, okay, such that they make a intersecting each other at the point P. Okay. Now join Q, is it? Q to P. Q and P such that the angle PQA is equal to 90 degree. This is a 90 degree. Okay, it is also equal to PQB. Both sides. Okay, and next is step 5. Step 6. Now make a point C on the perpendicular QP. Okay, perpendicular QP. QP lende extend பண்ணியாச்சு. Okay, எவ்வளோ distanceல 2.5 distanceல. Okay, so perpendicular QP such that the CQ is equal to 2.5 centimeter. எவ்வளோ distanceலமா வரைஞ்சோம்? 2.5 centimeter distance. Okay, right. And next step 7. After we have considered the C as a center, draw the another one of the perpendicular. Okay. So again construct right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Okay, so right angle at C. C center வச்சு தான் என்ன செய்றோம், right angle make பண்றோம். Okay, at C by the same steps. Which are the steps we are doing? Making a center, the step 5 and 6. Okay, so you have right in this place. Again construct the right angle at C, okay, by following steps. Following in this step 1 to 5. திரும்ப அதை என்ன செய்யணுமா, ரிப்பீட் பண்ணணும். என்ன ரிப்பீட் பண்ணணும்? C center வச்சு you have draw the one of the arc of any radius, the same radius with the intersecting arc as a center. Draw the another one of arc, it is denoted M N, like that. Okay, so the same procedure. After its center, draw the another one of the arc. After you have draw with the center of these two arcs, such that they are intersecting at the point. Intersecting at the point, we have write as any one of the name. Okay, or we have write R. Okay, R, and here S T U V. Okay, U, this intersecting arc. Okay, and then draw the line CR to D. Okay, the line CD is parallel to the line AB at the distance of 2.5 centimeters. CD is parallel to the line AB. Okay, CD is parallel to the line AB. That's it. Okay, so 1 2 5, repeat that process. Okay, then since the angle here denoted E. Okay, so angle ECD. Okay, ECD is equal to 90 degree, as well as the angle DCQ. DCQ also 90 degree. So CD is, the line CD is parallel. Okay, the symbol is denoted for parallel. Okay, parallel to AB. That's it. Okay, right. The next one. Worksheet problems. Okay. So today we have learned about the how to draw the parallel line to the line AB, and then the distance is given how to draw. Okay, just recapitulate that again. Okay, so first what we do, the first method, we have to draw the line. Okay, after take any point, the line AB. Okay, take any point outside of the line AB. Okay, so anywhere you have take the point P. After you have take any one of the place on a line Q. Okay, take any one of the anywhere on the place of the line AB mala. Okay, on a line AB. After join these two lines. Okay, after its center Q, draw the radius of any radius. Okay, to draw the arc of any radius. The same measurement with P also we have to draw the arc. After intersecting the point on the line QP with center, draw the same radius of the arc and then join these two arc. Then join these two lines. It's denoted by CP. The CP is extended to D. The CD and AB are parallel. This is the first type, is it? And second one of the type, draw the line AP. Draw the line AB, and then we have take any one of the point Q on a line AB. With center Q, draw the arc of the radius. Any radius. It is intersecting point as denoted by XY. With the center X, draw the another one of the arc as the same radius. After with center, it is denoted by M. With center M, after draw the same radius of the another one of the arc. It is denoted by N. Then in these two arcs as a center, draw the intersecting arcs from with the center MN. Okay, the line extended to E. Okay, the line extended to E is a perpendicular. Okay, and then distance is given, is it 2.5 centimeter is given. With center Q, draw the arc of the radius 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. It is denoted by say in the intersecting arc is denoted by P. Okay, With center Q, the same procedure we have followed the step 1. What is the step 1? With center Q, draw the arc of the any radius. So same procedure we have followed from the center C. Okay, after intersecting point is denoted by your resource, you have to label it any one of the name ST. Okay, with us as S is a center, draw the same radius of is denoted O. Okay, and then with center O, draw the another one of the arc, it is denoted by T. In this O and the as a center, draw the arc such that arcs make a intersecting arc. Then you have joined the arc from C to, it is denoted by PQ R. Okay, and then CR extended to D, extended to D. Then CD is parallel to AB. Here ECD and CDCQ are the perpendicular, that right angle 90 degree, and here also AQP and PQB are the perpendicular. Okay, these two constructions are important. So homework is worksheet 1. One to 4. Okay, I hope you are understood the concept of how to construct the parallel lines in general, and the distance is given also, you know that. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Thank you, students.